Meaning of human resources.
Human resources.
Human resources.
Human resources.
Human resources. Human resources refers to the department or function within an organization that is responsible for managing personnel-related activities. This includes recruiting, hiring, training, and developing employees, as well as handling employee benefits and resolving workplace conflicts. The goal of human resources is to maximize the potential of an organization's workforce by ensuring that employees are empowered to do their best work, and that they are treated fairly and equitably. Ultimately, human resources plays a critical role in helping organizations achieve their strategic goals by aligning people-related policies and practices with broader business objectives.